All right, welcome to this video. We are going to create online banking website, okay? So what you just have to do is to log into your file manager cPanel area. So your cPanel area, once you get here, click on file manager, okay? It's loading, guys. Let's give it some time. Awesome. As you can see, it has loaded completely. So it has loaded completely. So I think I have some website content inside this my URL. I want to install this website. I'll just delete it, okay? Select all and delete existing website. Click on delete. Delete permanently. Confirm delete. And I'll reload this URL. That is the subdomain I want to install my script. Okay, I'll click on upload. So click on select file. I'll go to download folder and I'll look for the script, which is what I think is this is the name of the awesome. I'll double click on it. So this is the bank script I want to use. So we are going to wait for it to count from 1% to 100% and also turn green. Okay, I'll pause this video first till you get there. So as you can see, it has already turned green. Okay, so all you just have to do is to click on this place and you reload this place. Okay, so once it's show here, you can open this place again and cancel it, and you click on the file and you click on extract. So you click on extract file. So you click on close. Then you can delete this, okay? You can delete this one and you can double click on the folder to open it. And what you have to do, you go click on setting here, show all hidden file, click on save, okay? Then you can now move all the file and you move them to where you want to install the script. So you remove it from where you extracted it from and put it inside where you want to install the script. Click on move and you click on this to save the file there. Awesome. So one other thing you will also want to do is to open this SQL file, SQL folder, and download the SQL file. So because we are going to make use of it, not quite long. Okay. So that's for that. And the next thing we have to do is to come back here. Okay, you can cancel this place and you come back here and click on database wizard. Select database wizard. Okay, this is it. Click on it. Then you name it whatever you like. Okay. Please dot include space. Okay. Awesome. I can also copy it and I click on next step. Okay. Then I'll also paste it here. Then I click on generate password. You can generate password as long as you want until you see your preferred password. Okay. So I think I would like to use this. I'll just copy this and I'll say I've copied this in a safe place. Okay. So I really need to copy it in a safe place. Okay. Then I'll copy it in a safe place like this. Then I'll click on use password. Okay. Then I'll say create user. Okay. Awesome. I can copy every user here, this database information, and I'll come back here and paste it here. Okay. Going to also use it, not quite long. Then I'll click on all privileges, never. Okay. And I'll click on next step. So I can also click on return home if you wish. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is also go back to where we created a database, that is phpMyAdmin. Okay, so I will have to locate phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin. Okay, if you have any difficult in locating it, just type it here, okay, in this search bar, but look at it here, I've already seen it. So just click on it, and once it load up, I'll just select my database that I created earlier. I think the name is the repractice. Okay. So the repractice, I've created numerous database. That's why we are seeing a lot of database here. So for your end, it is the only database you create you are going to see. Okay. This is the one I just created, the repractice. So once it load up, I click on import. Then I click on choose file. Okay. That database that I download at that time, downloaded data folder. Okay. I'll just, double click on it, and I'll scroll down and say import. Also, it has been imported. Okay, I can just leave this place. Okay, so once I leave here, the next thing I have to do is to check the installation guide. This is the installation guide. So how to get this installation guide? You can also download it from once you extract your file. This is it here from installation guide. Okay, click on it and download it. Okay, once you download it, you can also delete it. It's no more important. Okay, all you just need it for is to help you install the script. Okay, you can open it. Okay, so this is my previous one. Okay, that I've opened before, and what you have to do is to what you say, download and extract zip public folder or subdomain. Go to settings and show all in. If I've done that, move all file to the directory. I've done that. Create a new database. Import SQL file. Okay, inside SQL folder, go to include folder. Okay, edit the config.php. All right. So I'll just go to the include folder where I edit the config.php. Okay. This is the config.php. Open it, click on it, and click on edit. Then you click on edit one more time. So I'll come back here to paste my database password, to copy my database password rather. I'll just click on copy, minimize it out. So as you can see, my database name, okay, as you can see, my database password, try to locate the database password. This is the database password. Okay, I'll remove it and paste my own. So remove whatever you see there and paste the one you created. So I'll copy the database username, copy it, and come back, and the username is what? This is the username. Okay, I also remove whatever I see there and paste the one I created. So I'm going to also paste this in the database name because they are the same thing. Okay, database name. Then I think the next thing I want to do is to change this URL. Okay, I'll change this URL to my URL. So I think I'll change this URL to my URL. My URL is this. Okay, I'll just copy it. Okay, copy it, come back here, and I'll replace it with whatever I have here. Okay, also I'll remove the slash. Okay, See, webdomain.name or subdomain with no ending slash. So that's why you have to remove the, the slash, and you can also replace here with your phone number. And this support at royalbank.com, you have to create it. Okay, to create it, you come back to this place, you locate webmail or email account. It's called email account. Okay, it's called email account. Just look for it and click on it. Awesome. So once it load up, all you just have to do is to click on create. And you click on what the username you want to use. Admin. Okay, you select the domain you are using the username for. I'm using it for this particular subdomain. Okay, or I can choose to create it like I can choose to create it inside here. Okay, then I'll just generate the password. Then I'll click on generate. Okay, I'll click on create rather. Also, this is the this is the, what is it called? That is the webmail. Okay, come back here and replace what I have here with it. Okay, replace it with it. So that's for that. Okay, this webmail does not have password. So I can just scroll down. Let me see something here. Okay, that's all. That is all. Okay. So you can remove this name change to your site title. Okay. Don't want to write bank site. It's so vulnerable like that. Okay. So I think the next thing you have to do is to check if the webmail is a password. So there's no password here. So all you have to do is just click on save changes. Okay. Then you can go to the website and browse it up. Okay. Let's see if it will load. Awesome. This is the website. It's so powerful. Okay. We have successfully installed this website. So let me see about the SMTP. Okay. API editing. How to set up the SMTP? Go to include folder, go to email folder, SMTP file. Okay. So what you have to do is to go to the include folder. Okay. So first of all, open my URL where the file is located, where my website is located. I go to the include folder, as you can see. Go to the email folder. Okay. Set the SMTP, click on the SMTP edit and click on edit one more time. So as you can see, I've already created my email. Okay. I've already created my email. So I'll just click on manage email. Okay. Because I didn't save the password somewhere. So that's what I want to do. As you can see, this is the email address. I copy it and I'll come to the SMTP file. So I'll put, first thing you have to do, let me paste my SMTP file here first. No, let me create another email. Okay. I think I need to create another email. Okay, because I want to create it inside my domain. There's no need creating it inside another domain. Okay. Inside my domain, that is this domain, and click on admin. Okay. And I click on generate password. Okay. Then Once I click on generate password, I can save this password up in somewhere. I can always make use of it. Awesome. So come back here. Now I can remove these dictates because I don't need them anymore. So this is my webmail password now, and I can click on create right now. Okay. Click on create. Awesome. The email has been created. This is it. Just copy it, and I'll go to my previous file. Okay, where I added it. That's my include folder. Okay. So I'll go to the config.php, open it. So this is the email I used before, so I just remove it. Let me use email that is attached to my domain. Awesome. Okay. So I click on save changes now. Then I'll close this place. And this is the SMTP. Okay. I'll just replace it with my email. Okay. Nice one. Let me check the email I created. I'll check it because I think I did not copy the correct spelling properly. Sorry, I don't want to open it. I want to click on manage. Okay. Just click on go back. What I want to do is to click on go back. So this is it. I click on manage. So this is the correct email address. I can see that there's no E at the end of this one I replace, okay? There's no E at the end of this one I replace. So that's why I'll just remove it. And if you don't copy your email very well, your SMTP will not going to send, okay? I click on it, save changes. And I think I have to open the config folder, okay? I have to put the config folder and replace it with the correct email address, okay? I already make too much mistake here, okay? I can just decide to add E to it. Okay, that's the correct one. You save changes. You close this place. And now that I'm in the SMTP folder, so I need to also put my email password. So I've saved it in somewhere. I just copy my email password, and I'll come back here and replace it with this. Replace it with that. Then the next thing I have to do is to what can I do? This, I thought I saw URL there. Host, no. I'll just put my domain name here, okay? This is my domain name. Copy it and remove this place, okay? And remove the existing one here. And paste your own, okay? And you click on, let's go to the next part. Scroll down. So you have to also set it from, okay? You have to also set it. Copy your email. Remove whatever you are seeing here. Put your own. So remove whatever you are seeing here. Put your own. Ensure you also, if you like, you can remove this. Also put your own. Okay? Make sure you do it diligently. So you have to put your O according to your site name. Okay, scroll down, and that is all. So the next thing, you click on Save Changes. So it's done, and the next thing you have to do, close this place. So let me see the site I just reload. So I reload. Let me reload this site again. Let me see if I'm still recording. Awesome. So I'll click on banking. Or first of all, I have to log into the admin panel of this website. Okay. So I think I have to log into the admin panel of this website. So I open installation guide. The installation guide should consist of the admin panel details. So admin logins is your site URL /admin/login. So I'll just click on only this /admin/login because I already know my site URL, and I'll just say I'll paste it and I'll click on enter. Awesome. I'll come back here and click on this to collect my admin logins. Okay. This is my admin email and the password is that. Okay. So this is my admin email and the password is. And click on sign in. Awesome. This is the admin dashboard of the website. Okay. So it's also powerful. So as you can see, if I want to, let me look for users. Okay. All users. Okay. I'll open this user. I'll view it. So one of my clients said he want to make his currency to be on euro. Don't want it to be in what is it called? In dollars. Okay. So to do this, I think first of all, let me go to setting first. This is setting. You can change this to your system email. Okay. You already know how I got this. So come back here. Copy this email. And you come here and say, this is your email. Okay. So you change it to your site, name of the site, name of your web bank site. Okay. So you have to change all these things. Just master this yourself. System phone number. If you are removing this, let it be on the one that inside the SNTP folder. Okay. So that's for that. Wire transfer percentage fee. Okay. Currency. Just change it to currency. Just change it to pounds. Okay. Arrow symbol. Okay. Copy this symbol. Arrow symbol. Copy it and put it here. Okay. I think this is how to change your website to arrow. Okay. That's just it. And you click on update. Awesome. So let's go to setting one more time. So as you can see, it's in arrow. I think there are so other things we need to set. Okay. You can put your logo here. The user logo. Okay. So from here you can change your website currency to your preferred currency. Okay. So that's for that. And you have also accept crypto deposit, bank transaction, wire, domestic credit, debit, credit if you want to credit a user. Okay, that's not what I want to do for now. First, I want to create a user account. Okay, so I want to create a user account. So I'll just go to website front end and I'll say okay, let me click on banking. Awesome. So once I click on banking, I'll scroll down and I'll click on register. Okay. So if I want to register, so don't worry, I'll teach you how to change this logo, okay? Don't let that be a problem. Maybe for example, email, okay? Can use this email. My country is Nigeria, okay? Select this country, and my account type is savings, and my phone number, I'll use the random phone number, okay? Then my occupation is IT. This. So put a random home address. So, okay. Put home address. So state is okay. I may by gender, and the day is 10 and the month is 10 and the next one is okay. Say so you can use any random name. Select currency, select it euro. Okay. The account you want to create euro account, okay. Your password is what? Just use this password. Choose your preferred password rather. Click on create account. Please fill the box, okay? Just check this box and you click on create account, okay? Awesome. As you can see, I just received the email that I used to register for. I just received email that I've registered for the account. So let me open the email. So what I want to do is to open this Gmail from my phone. Okay? To open the Gmail from my phone. So this, I'll say, okay. Put the Gmail from my phone. So this is my site. I always say site ready. I open it, okay? Dear Eddie William, welcome to site ready. Thank you for registering already. Okay? We are excited. Okay, I think this is my account number. Abi, we are excited to see you create with us. You need an assistance support. That's for that. Okay? That's for that. So, and the system has already prompted up a place like it for you to log in. Okay? Meanwhile, you can select your preferred country. Okay? You can select your preferred country. And let me see the account. Okay? I think if I need the account, I have to go back to the admin dashboard also. Okay? So I need to go back to the admin dashboard also to get the account number. I want to confirm if that number in my email is also the account number. Say, all user. This is my email. I'll open this person's email. Okay. So I want to see if it's my account number. No, that's not. That's not my account number. Okay. I think this is my account number. So you can change the pin if you wish. Okay, you can put your this old pin and you put the current one, confirm the current one and change pin. Okay, you can also change your password And you can change all these COT code, task code, IMF code. Okay, you can change them. Okay, so as you can see, the currency is dollar in this place. So, but you can change it to uh, say default by dollar, but you can also change it to euro, whichever currency that you wish. Okay, so what can I do now? What can I do? I think I need to log in. Okay, I need to log in. So I'll collect this, then I'll come back to the site. Sorry, I think here. And I remember my password. I'll just put password. Okay, I just click on sign in. Invalid login details. So in that case, let me go to my email and use that. Let me see if this is my account number also. Okay. Sorry guys. Awesome. Okay. So I click on login. Account on hold. Kindly contact support to activate your account. So I have to go back to the admin and activate the account. I saw it just now, but I just wanted to show you something. Okay, it's on hold, and that's what I can do. Oh my God. So, account status on hold, change it to active, and you click on confirm changes. Okay, now I think you can log in. Awesome. I think you can now log in. Okay, so that is practically my phone number. Okay, sorry, my account number. Okay, the once you register for this system, they will send you your account number, and you also go to the admin to see the account pin. Okay, this is the pin. The default pin is 1234, and you can change it to your preferred number. Okay, you can sign in. Awesome. Close. Welcome back, Eddie William. This is my account. So if you check it on mobile, it will be so beautiful, so friendly. Okay. So this is my account, and currently it's 000. Let me fund the account. Okay. I have to put money inside the account. Let me click on credit user, and I want to credit Eddie William amount of $1,000. Okay. First of all, let me 1,000. Okay. Description. You can put for house rent. The date you are crediting it, just put it. Okay. You can put today's date. Okay. Or you can put a random date rather. So credit user. Okay. Please a valid value. Okay. Please enter a valid value. The feed is incomplete or has an invalid date. Okay, and the time, I have to put the time. That's what I didn't put. Okay. I just click on credit user. 10 October 2025. Okay. Let me see. Today is 27. Okay. Oh, this is where I make this. I got it wrong. You can also leave it at 10. Okay. You can choose any day of crediting. Okay. You can choose any day you like. So far, set your time and date. Okay. Account funded successfully. So if you go to the user account, if you refresh this website, you definitely go to see the $1,000. So what I want to do is I want to make sure I change this user, or can I change it myself? The currency. I want to change it to euro. Okay. or maybe I will have to change it by myself. All users, Eddie William, view Eddie William. And the currency can say pounds or euro symbol or sign. I have to copy it. Okay. Go to my website and replace it with it and click on update profile. You can put a random zip code. Update profile. So let me see if the user changed to euro or pounds. Okay, change to euro. Then I can go to the user and I'll say refresh. Awesome, as you can see, it's in euro right now. So that's 1,000 euro. So, and you can actually transfer. Okay, let me see, wire transfer, digital funds, no. Let me go to domestic transfer. Okay, let me transfer to my bank. Okay, I want to transfer 500. So to change this amount, it's going to be from the code aspect. So if you go to your code aspect 5, for example, where this place is located in after the domain user domestic transfer. Okay, you can go to your website and come back here and say this is the domain. Okay, after the domain is at where user and domestic transfer. Okay, come back to user folder. Okay, let's locate user folder. Okay, this is user folder. The next one is domestic transfer. Okay, domestic transfer.php. Click on edit. Click on edit one more time. That's where you can change that dollar signs. Okay, so that dollar sign. Let me just click on Control F. That is to find. Then it's dollar sign or symbol. Just copy it so that you can paste it here and use it to find it. Awesome. So as you can see, it's close to amount. I'll just look for amount. Okay, amount, and you put this what is it called, pound sign. Okay, this is the place. Okay, you put the pound sign. So arrow sign, looking for arrow sign. Just copy it and I'll come back here and put it here. Okay, this is the place. Save changes. Awesome. You go back there and reload. Exactly, as you can see, that's already been changed. So that is how to change your site currency. What you just need to do is to actually locate the area where the place is. As you can see, this is the URL of the place. You find it from your file manager and you are good to go. If you see anyone in here and you want to change it, also look for the word nearest to the symbol. Then you remove it using the words to trace it. As this is my dashboard. This is my dashboard, okay? You can transfer, wire transfer, you can do wire transfer, domestic transfer, you can accept request for loan, this, that, okay, sign out.